Hi families, Miss Jill here from the Brunswick Library with ways you can make sensory bins at home. Sensory play may calm, focus, and engage a child and incorporates a variety of senses: touch, sight, sounds, taste, and smell for children to learn and explore. The simplest definition is it's a hands-on tactical experience for kids in a contained area. Sensory bins have three main components: the container, a filler, and the play tools they'll use. Large plastic bins are great options, but even a cardboard box can be used. For the filler, cereals, beans, rice, dry, or even cooked pasta is another idea. Round up some craft supplies you have around the house for creative fun. What goes in as play tools, the possibilities are endless. Kitchen utensils are always fun to play with. Have the kids round up some of their favorite toys on an adventure within the sensory bin. Have a dustpan and broom handy and let the kids help clean up along the way. Things can get messy, but that's part of the fun, so be prepared. Try putting a sheet or towel under the bin. Even a shower curtain liner could be great. You can reuse the fillers too by placing the cereal in a Ziploc bag, allowing the chance to play again the next day. Let the kids help to scoop things in bags. Sensory playtime should always be supervised, and establishing some ground rules is a great place to start. Kitchen utensils are things you can easily find around your house. These tools provide a great opportunity for kids to practice their fine motor skills. A section tray like the one I used here was a veggie dip platter I have. You can add in alphabet pieces to practice letter sounds, shapes, and recognition for an added learning bonus. Play-Doh or clay is always fun. This is an excellent sensory filler you can use with all kinds of creative possibilities. Try bringing the outside in. You could take a hike to collect sticks, rocks, leaves, flowers, and use them in the bin. Craft items make for fun fillers to play with. Add in some foam numbers. Have the kids find 4 feathers, 3 white pom-pom balls. This way they're practicing number recognition and their colors. Or just put out various craft items, such as tape, glue, scissors, and paper, so the kids can let their creative ideas come alive. Now that summer is near, having a water table outside can make for a lot of fun. Water play is a tremendously fun sensory play option for toddlers and preschoolers, well, kids of all ages really, and it's a low-cost activity bin which is relatively easy to clean up. Another idea is creating a washing station, letting the kids play with cleaning their toys or kitchen items. Shredded paper is another inexpensive filler option for sensory fun. Have the kids find 4 dinosaurs that look alike, or the one T-Rex hiding in the bottom of the bin. Your kids will be practicing their math skills with you. As you play together around the table, sharing toys and creating stories, you're improving their social and language skills. Through sensory play, kids can learn to use tools of all sorts, improve upon their fine motor skills by increasing their strength and flexibility, eye-hand coordination, cause and effect, how to scoop and pour, the meaning of empty and full, improving their social and language skills along the way too. Sensory tables appeal to all ages and abilities. Every child can be successful. There's just something soothing and relaxing about sensory play. Be sure to check out our latest edition of the Library Live newsletter, which includes news, services, and events that occur at all 7 of our library locations. Stop in and visit us. We'd love to see your smiling faces. Thanks for watching.